Hello friend, welcome to Bhatti YouTube channel. This video discuss about why Apex funded trading. Apex funded trading typically refers to a trading arrangement where a trader receives capital of funding from a third party company, often called a property trading firm, to trade financial market. This property trading firm provide traders with access to trading capital, trading platform, and various resources in exchange for a share of the profit generated by the trader. Here how is generally work. Application and evaluation. Trader interested in Apex funded trading program apply to this firm. The application process may involve interview, trading skills assessment, and background check to evaluate and trader qualification and risk profile. Funded funding and risk allocation. If a trader is accepted into the program, they are typically provided with the trading account funded by a property trading firm. The trade may be also give specific risk limit or capital allocation based on their trading experience and performance. Trading strategy. Traders are usually free to develop and execute their trading strategy within the guide set by the firm. Some firm may have proprietary trading strategy of algorithm that traders can use or adapt. Profit sharing. The profit generated from the trading are typically shared between the trader and the proprietary trading firm. The specific profit sharing arrangement can vary widely, with trader often receiving a percentage of the profit they earn. Risk management is the accurate aspect of funded trading. Traders are often required to adhere the strict risk management rules to protect the firm capital and their own. Fees and cost. Some firms are charged trader fees or commission for the use of their capital trading platform and other resources. These fees can vary, so traders should carefully review term before participating. Performance evaluation. Trader performance is regularly evaluated by the firm. Depending on their result, trader may receive additional capital allocation for phase restriction if their trading fails below certain threshold. Apex funded trading can be an attractive option as individuals who want to trade with larger amount of capital than they have on their own. However, it's essential to choose a regulation and transparent property trading firm to, as the condition can vary significantly between different firm. Traders should be carefully review and the arrangement, the understand the risk involved before participating in such program. Additionally, the regulation governing funded trading can vary by region, so trader funded ensure they comply with all relevant financial regulation. सो गाइस, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।